Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Shakray. Today we are doing a 9-month lock update on my 3C hair.
No phone. Who is this? Brand new. Back door.
So I wanted to do this update on freshly washed hair, not retwisted, so you can get a full look of how my locks are progressing as a 3C natural with very fine hair. My hair is really starting to thicken up really well, and I have not had a whole lot of changes since my 6-month lock update, but I still am making some good progress. I do still have those stubborn locks that are not doing what I need them to do, but you know, that's kind of what toddlers do, right? Like, you tell a toddler what you want them to do and they do the complete opposite. So that's pretty much what is going on with my hair as well. I do still have my lock in the front that is pretty much just, you know, doing her own little thin thing. And then I have my one in the back also that is she on this side? She's on the left side. Sis is just kind of doing her own thing too. She's up somewhere because there we go. She's a little thinny. So this lock is, you can see she's shorter than the rest in the back, and she's my thinner one that was taking too long to actually lock. So I did go in with a crochet needle about 2 weeks ago, towards the root to kind of help her get herself together. My front one, honestly, I should probably combine this one, but I just, you know, this one too, this one is a little on the thinner side and has not started to mature like the rest. You can see this lock is really thin, and it's only been 9 months, right? So I'm not mature yet. Mature locks are anywhere from 15 to 18 months old, so I still have quite a bit some time, you know, anywhere from another 7 to 9 months before I'll fully be mature. But things are going great. I'm still pretty happy with the number I decided. I did do a lock count. I counted twice that day and I counted 66 twice. However, I just did some 2-strand twist the other day for a crinkly look. I'll insert something here, a picture or a video. And one of my 2-strand had to be a 3-strand. I don't know if I missed another lock somewhere or if I actually have 67 locks. Since I don't know, I'll do another lock count for my 1-year anniversary that's coming up pretty soon. As far as my retwist schedule, I've still been retwisting anywhere from every 4 to 4.5 weeks. I do wash my hair every 2 weeks, so this was my wash day. My last wash day was on the 1st. Today is the 13th. So usually somewhere between the 13th and the 15th. It just depends, but I am like 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from, you know, if I wash my hair on a Friday, 2 weeks from that, I will be washing my hair again. I am retwisting my hair with oil now that it is winter. In the summer, I alternated between oil and gel. I am retwisting with oil because it's wintertime, right? Like, I'm not sweating in my scalp. For me personally, gel and using a lot of products in my hair irritates my scalp. So I know the lock community is like, don't retwist with oil, don't retwist with oil, that's not a retwist, it's not gonna last. It's not supposed to last. And for me, like, when I was a loose natural and I would get my natural hair braided, child, by day 3, day 4 anyways, I was looking like I needed to get it redone because my hair is soft and fine. So it don't matter what I use, I'm gonna have the same result. Okay, so shampoo and conditioner, I am using Design Essentials. That's not it, that's the mousse. The almond and avocado line that Design Essentials has, I've used their shampoo and their conditioner. I also am still using Dr. Bronner's peppermint shampoo. I use that first and then I go in with Design Essentials as like my moisturizing shampoo. Today I did not do that, I just did strictly peppermint shampoo because I ain't did nothing to my hair in like the last week and a half, like not even oiled it, and child, I need a good wash. Now for the last 2 months, I have been using my oil that I sell with my small business. So if you're new here, I am a small business owner of Your Lock Muse. We specialize in low maintenance, healthy hair care products and accessories. I am known across social media for my spiral ties, but we also just released an oil this month. I haven't done a whole lot of promoting yet because I got slammed with orders in September and I needed a breather. But I am using our lavender and lemongrass oil on my hair and it smells so good. Like, it smells like a lemon drop in a bottle. Okay, so yeah, I'm using that oil. I will have the link to my website down below if you are interested in our oils or our spiral ties or anything like that. But I'm just gonna continue to kind of give you all a close-up of my hair. Like I said, not much has changed. We're still locking, we're still progressing, we're still locked in with our purpose. So if you have like particular you know, videos that you want to see from me, because I am a 3C, a locked curly girl, my ends are still curly, you know, drop some comments, talk to me. I am getting an office space for my business, so I will have more time to create lock content consistently now, make my videos consistently how I would like. So, you know, if there's anything you want to see, I have the time now. So let's chat, let's talk. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know if you have locks, how far along you are, or if you plan on getting them. And I'll see you all on the next one.